For our monitor mount design, we need to create the interface between the mount and the TV. We know the critical dimensions for the design and the space constraints. So let's mock up some very basic geometry to represent this. This includes the cylindrical offset as well as the square shape that the TV will attach to. With the geometry created, we'll save it so we can simply drag and drop it into the OnePart window. OnePart analyzes the shape signature of the part and uses it to find parts that are similar. As we begin to look at the results, we see that some of these results exist in a PDM Professional vault and others exist on our network drive. Let's look at just the files currently housed in the vault. We'll add these to the compare bin to get a closer look at them. Weight is a crucial aspect of this design, so I can utilize the mass information to sort lowest to highest. This helps me rule out the last two components. From here, I can see that these two designs are very similar, so let's take a look at their preview. As we look at the Relations tab on the first part, I can see that OnePart has correlated a number of documents together for me. One of which is the fact that this part already has had some simulation testing done on it. The other part has no supporting validation work done, so the added time will add cost to the project. That said, because it's very similar to other parts, it might present us with an opportunity to consolidate these two part numbers into one, so I'll tag it for further investigation at a later time. With our new part selected, OnePart takes us directly to where it's located inside of PDM Professional, and I can simply drag and drop it into SOLIDWORKS to complete the design.